Do you plan to use the Phuket Sandbox to enter Thailand without quarantine? Are you a bit worried of getting everything right after arrival on Phuket Airport? In this video, I will provide you with a step-by-step guide of all the things you need to do after getting off the plane on Phuket. Hi guys, how you doing? If you're new to this channel, I'm George Thai and you're on My Thai 24. I've uploaded a couple of videos about how to enter Thailand without quarantine. As many of you know, there are two programs, namely the Phuket Sandbox and the Samui Plus Sandbox, which fully vaccinated travelers can use to enter Thailand without quarantine. The by far more popular one is the Phuket Sandbox for now. As a lot of documents are required, COVID testing and many other things need to be done, many people wonder how all this works and how they have to proceed after arrival on Phuket Airport. In this video I'm going to provide you with a step-by-step guide about all the things you need to do after getting off the plane. Let's jump right into it. After getting off the plane, the first thing which is done is a thermal scan of your body temperature. There is a temperature checkpoint where this thermal scan is done. Your temperature must be not higher than 37.3 degrees Celsius. If it is more, then you will have to wait in a designated area and your health and other symptoms will be checked. After having passed the temperature checkpoint, airport staff dressed in PPE will instruct you where to go and to sit down. Next step is you will receive your local SIM card, your local Thai SIM card, and have to install the tracking app, the COVID-19 tracking app, Thailand Plus, or the English version of the local tracking app, Mo Chana. And then officials will check your COVID-19 relevant documents and app in detail, namely the following documents: a vaccine passport or certificate, proof of the COVID-19 insurance covering $100,000, then a certificate for the negative COVID-19 test result, which you had to do within 72 hours before your departure to Thailand. Then they will check whether you have installed the tracking app Thailand Plus correctly. If anything is invalid or missing, you will be refused entry in Thailand and have to leave the country paying the expenses for this by yourself. If everything is alright, you can go ahead and go to the immigration where the following documents will be checked. First one is the certificate of entry. They will check if everything is all right with this. And of course, visa documents, if you need a visa. If not, you will get your visa on arrival, which is at the moment 45 days. And then they will check the proof of your booking at the SHA Plus hotel. So the documents for this. After this, you go ahead to the baggage claim. You can get your baggage. And then after that, you go to the customs. And then you have to follow the sandbox signs on the floor. There's one more step, very important one, is the COVID-19 test at the airport testing facility. After you have done the COVID-19 test, you go to the meeting point in order to meet your pickup service from your hotel or other SHA certified transportation operators to travel to your hotel, where you first have to wait for the test results. You will receive it within the first day. The test result is negative. You are free to travel and enjoy Phuket. The test result is positive. As you know, you have to quarantine at a hospital for 2 weeks. If you have any questions or want to add anything, please let me know in the comment section. If this video was valuable for you, please hit the like button. Thank you. I will have many more awesome videos about Thailand coming up soon, so please subscribe my channel My Thai 24 and make sure you don't miss them. Thank you very much for watching, and I catch you on the next one. Bye!